11 halls, 52 toilets, one kitchen, and about 5 sanitary toilets.
It's a bed.
This is a penthouse. Yes, sir. So we're taking the second floor. We're taking the condition. We're not working in senior children. Yes, sir.
It's a separate contract. So what is the take of the date?
I'm not trying it.
Yeah, right.
Because now before the contract is employed. And that's one of the VIP toilets. It's an office. Up to a point where the whole furniture has vanished.
Down here. Find out.
Okay, sir.
That must be records. Let's go.
But this is not connected. I'm going to know what's missing. No, we're going to go to somebody's private. Oh, that's not of the pleasure park.
So, yeah.
Pick it. The central is there's a small room here. To do more production. We advise to buy. And to buy caterpillar to reach his phone.
Do the contract for. You are secretary?
Yes, sir.
You need somebody whose responsibility it is to manage this place to break.
The house is concluded.
I think you recall that I have been here before, and I also had briefings from the different departments. I've gone around to see the progress being made in respect of this facility. I've also gone to see the other facilities before now. These are great structures that were put in place, to support the economic activities of socio-economic activities of the state. I want to believe that if we can optimize their use, that we can get a lot of young men off the streets and boost capacity. And basically, I'm just going around to see the state of things as this time. Very much underutilized, very, very much underutilized, and I think we need to do something to make sure that place is put to the appropriate use that it was deserved to.